I brush.
Good morning. It's 8 a.m. I'm almost done with my workout, and before I head back home, I'm gonna go grab some coffee at Panera. I have a coffee subscription that I got for free, so I get free unlimited coffee whenever I want. If I want, I can grab coffee every 2 hours for free. So I'm gonna go grab some coffee, and then I'm gonna head back home and help my kids with their distance learning. So I'm getting my morning coffee fix. So I just got my coffee, and today there's a whole group of people sitting outside and chatting. It's sort of nice to see people out chatting and having coffee. We're listening to music from Trolls and doing our homework. Letter races. So the directions say color the matching uppercase and lowercase letter using the same color. Which one? What's that? W. Almost. It looks like a W, sort of. It's an M. Uppercase M, lowercase m. So we're looking at patterns. Polka dots. Mizudama is polka dots. Kento, can you say polka dots? Yeah. And how about shima shima? Do you know how to say it in English? Stripes. Yeah, that's right. Stripes. We're extending our activity, right? It doesn't say to write down the pattern in letters, but we're extending the activity. Polka dots, great writing. And then last one, stripes. We are extending the activity. So he's getting the hang of this distance learning thing and all these worksheets. You're done?
Yes.
We have more pages. What's the circle for? The sun? And the windows? Yes. Yellow windows. Okay, and how about this? What's this rectangle? Yeah, what is it? Rectangle. Oh, it's the door. Oh, and then the small circle is the doorknob. That's the door. So this is our homework. Oh, wait a second. What color is Teddy's plate, Kento? What color is this plate, osara? What color?
Red.
It's red. So can you find other things that are red? Yeah, can you circle it using the pen? Yeah, the pen, yeah, so circle it. It's already chosen. The pen tool is chosen, so we're gonna circle it. Yeah. Great job circling. So first, Kento, can you explain? This
are
these eggs have
polka dots.
Yes, and the background
Have polka dots.
is also, yes, has polka dots. How about this middle one? These are all cars. But different
different
size.
and
And what's this? Toothbrush
toothbrush and
and toothpaste.
toothpaste.
I use this
I use this
when
when
I brush.
I brush
What do you brush?
this.
When I brush
I brush
my teeth.
My teeth.
Good job, Kento. 言えたね。